Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about the HTML noscript tag. The HTML noscript tag defines an alternate content to be displayed to users that have disabled scripts in their browser or have a browser that doesn't support scripts. For example, when you have your opening and closing script tag along with the method you specified inside it that will do something for us in your HTML elements. Now, immediately after the script tag, you can have what? You can have your no script tag, the opening and closing script tag under it, and put a content inside it for the users that have disabled script tags, that have disabled scripts in their browser. You are going to see that this is going to display in their browser, but for the users that their browser supports scripts, this is not going to display in their browser. But users that have disabled script in their browser, that their browser doesn't support script, this is going to display in their browser, and you can write any content you want in here. So, and you can design it also. If you want, you can design it, you can do it anyhow you want. So let me show you how it works quickly. Let's get back to our document. We are having this in our previous tutorial. If you don't know how we got here, you can check our HTML JavaScript tutorial where we discussed about on and off a bulb light. So how to on a bulb in JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. And this is it. You can on it, off it, you can on the signal and off it. So you will find the full details about this one in our playlist. You can check our JavaScript playlist, or you can just check our HTML, JavaScript, CSS, anyone, you will find it there. And you can search how to on a bulb light in our playlist also, you will find it. So let me see. Let me now show you the code. Here is the code that did everything for us. This is the script that we use, and this is the no script we want to use right now. Firstly, let me delete it. As you can see up here, this is the code. As you can see, this is the code that did everything for us, as you can see. So now we want to add no script tag here. Without having this no script tag, let's save our document so you can see how it looks. Can you see? Our document is looking better, it's looking fine, and there's no any problem with it. But now let's add no script tag to it. No script tag. I add a content. Let's just copy a content from here. Let's copy this content right here and place it here. Just place it there like that. Let's save our document and reload it. Can you see? Nothing is showing right here now, and our bulb is working nice. No any problem with it. As you can see, nothing. This content now is not displaying, as you can see. So, but the issue is that when you go to a browser, let's open this our document again. Let's open it with another browser which does not support JavaScript from the start. Let's open it with Internet Explorer. Right click and open it with it. As you can see, our style and our JavaScript, they are not displaying, as you can see. So now, here now, there is a pop-up at the bottom here that says Internet Explorer restricted this web page from running scripts or active controls. Allow It now gave me option here that allow block content. If I press allow here, I'll be able to see that your browser does not support JavaScript here. It's going to disappear. As you can see right now, we are having the content that we wrote inside our no script tag, but when you check our other browser, you can see we are not having it here. It's not displaying here because this one supports scripts, but this browser here is not supporting script. When we click this on now, it's not working. When we click this off now, it's not going to work. This one signal also is not going to work. Nothing is going to work here. Only the HTML syntax, and the thing that we have put inside it is going to show. As you can see, sorry, your browser does not support. Now let's now say, for instance, we want to allow scripts inside this browser. This is what we are going to do. We can reload it or reopen the browser, but let's reload it so that it can give us the option again. Now when we reload it, as you can see, it gave us that option. It sent the option again to us. When we now click it, this sorry, your browser does not support JavaScript, is going to disappear. Let's click it. Can you see it disappear? Now we can use our thing. Now let's press on. It's working. Let's press off. It's working. Let's press signal on also. It's working. Signal off. It's working. So that's what I want to show you guys. That's what I want to show you guys. Make sure you practice, because practice make perfect. Anwar Akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. But sorry, before I go, here at the bottom, don't you forget that at the bottom of our script, that's where we are keeping the noscript tag. Let's say, for instance, now copy it, we place it at the top here. Let's see if it's going to work. Possibly it may work because it's a function. Let's reload this browser here. Can you see? Can you see? I want it to display. Can you see? Let me reopen it. Sorry, I quickly want to test something for you guys before I go here. Can you see now? It's also working. Either you place it at the bottom or at the top. So it's also working. Either you place it at the bottom or you place it at the top. It's also working, and they are going to give you option in that manner. Let's get back to our document here also. It's also working. It's not disturbing our content also. So that's what I want to show you guys, because it's good to test what you are using. So have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and to the next.